Okay guys, we have been using VLOOKUP functions so far a lot of times in this workbook, and so far it appears to be pretty powerful. But if you might have observed or noticed right now, what we have till now done is we look up to over here and print the or return the values that are on this side, right side of this, or we look up in this column over here, we look up over here and return elements that are on the right side of the column. So what we are doing is we are looking up for a value in a range and column. In a column we are looking up for a value, and we are able to return values that are right side to the first column of a selected range. But what if I had something like over here, a column over here, and I want to look up a value over here, and then I want to return these corresponding columns. So what if I want to return the columns that are on the left side of the column that I have looked up in? So that is the topic of the next few lectures I will be giving on. We will check out what to do in that case. Unfortunately, VLOOKUP fails to do that, but in Excel anyway we can do that, and we will see that how.